Hello, welcome back to another tasty recipe. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're making one of my favorite quick summertime side dishes. It is pan-seared summer zucchini with a lemon basil vinaigrette. Super easy and super simple to put together. You'll have it ready for dinner in no time flat. Sometimes I even make it as a little snack too. So you're gonna take a skillet. Cast iron is probably the best that you can use, but if you don't have it, no worries. Just get a skillet and heat it up to very high. So that might be about a 6 or 7. Get it really hot, and then we're gonna put our thinly sliced 2 zucchinis inside of our skillet, and we're gonna pan sear it for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. All right, we have pan-seared our zucchini slices for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You can see it has this perfectly beautiful blistered top and bottom to each slice. It's gonna be amazing. You're gonna love it. I know you are. Now we take our lemon basil vinaigrette. I've got some sitting right here, but I'm gonna drizzle a little just right on top. You can serve it on the side as well. That way, if you want it, you can have it. If not, you can have as much as you want or as little. It's gonna be so good. It smells like I've been grilling out. It's amazing. Wow. The flavor of the zucchini just really pops having it pan-seared. You get a little bit of that grilled taste, but the crunch of it's still just a little al dente. And then the lemon basil vinaigrette, wow, just really heightens that basil. Comes out in the beautiful lemon tartness, just slightly melts perfect with the pan-seared zucchini. You are gonna love this. I've got the great recipe for the lemon basil vinaigrette on the channel. You can check that out, but you can use any type of lemon vinaigrette. I am so excited for you to try it. I hope you love this recipe as much as I love you. Mwah.